Hello dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's my chapter is A Day. A Day is a poem written by Emily Dickinson. The poem is composed on 4 stanzas. Each stanza shows the human's life and stages. In the first stanza, Dickinson presents the birth and childhood of human being by using metaphor of sun, ribbon, amethyst, and squirrels. Days started with sun risings. The rays of sun seem wearing ribbon. It also looks like amethyst when it appears at steeples. The tiny and cute creature squirrels run. This first stanza, Dickinson presents the childhood. This also shows morning time. In the second stanzas, hills, unit, bonnets, and bobblings of birds sing. In this stanza, she tries to show our teenage. This also shows noontime. The sun is supposed to be gone and there is purple style in horizon. This symbolizes adult stage of human being. And last stanza, there is no sun, Domini in grey, symbolize a death, darkness all around. Now I am going to explain this poem in short. In the first stanza, she declares how the sun rises. Her explanation is defined in the metaphorical image that the sun rises a ribbon at a time. The morning sky is a color of amethyst because the steeples swam in amethyst. The rhythm in the first stanza is quick and light. The tone is merry and full of promise. The news spreads or the light rays travel like squirrels running to get away. In the second stanza, the hills personified unify their bonnets. As the sun rises and the morning air starts to warm, the mist, which is the metaphorical bonnets, over the hills evaporates, then the bobblings begin to sing. In the third stanza, the mood of dampened in the mystery of sunset, there seemed a purple style which little yellow boys and girls were climbing all the while. In the fourth stanza, when they reach the other side, a Domini in grey put gently up the evening bars and lead the flock away. The dominantly symbolic stanza uses Christian references like flock and Domini in grey to the poet's own view about death. Let's talk about morning. Morning are generally blissful, no matter how bad your night has been. Morning brings new hopes and new changes to you. Every morning is said to be a new beginning and a new hope. Morning brings brightness, freshness, new beginning, freedom, and transformation. Sunrise also symbolizes awakening. Our bodies are just starting to wake up, getting ready for the new day. As an extension, we connect the sunrise to the event of birth. It is essentially the birth of a new day. Experiencing a sunrise can be exciting. It marks your chance to achieve something new and experience happiness in the coming day. With each sunrise comes a new beginning and thus a chance to experience new things. It gives you the chance to start the day on a positive note and set the tone for the rest of the day. Many people choose to start their days early and experience the sunrise for themselves. It is said it can promote your well-being and inspire positive feelings about the upcoming day. Let's talk about night. Night symbolizes death, darkness of the soul, and loss of faith. When the sun sets, we enter the night, which is when it gets dark and we are not able to see. This is why we feel vulnerable during the night, as we don't have developed sense to keep us alive against all the other animals do that. Night is the opposite of day. During the day, it's light and bright, and we are full of energy and enthusiasm. The night, on the other hand, is dark and terrifying. We spend most of it asleep. We also connect the night to death. This must clearly evident during the sunset, which signifies the death of something. Just like light freezes, we perish when we die. The sunset acts as a switch between life and death, because when the sun sets, the light is out, symbolizing death. Equally, most predators work during the night, so they come out night and hunt. They have developed a strong sense to hunt even there is no light, giving them an advantage over other animals. Due to this, hunters also connect the night to death. Through the ages, classical happening and natural phenomena have been used to symbolize important thoughts and concepts. The clinical occurrence of day and night was one of the things occurring in nature that was believed to hold a specific meaning. While different civilizations had different day and night symbols to record the passage of time, day and night by themselves were thought to have strong symbolic meanings. The recurring phenomenon of day and night was always considered very meaningful, as it was believed that the survival of human species depended majorly on synchronizing the bodily and mental functions with peculiar demands of day and night. The day and the night seem to present two entirely different worlds. Day and night changes even seem to have biological effects on mankind. The creatures that are aggressive, alert, and seeking in the day become quiet and inactive at night. The dramatic contrast presented by day and night is equated with the disparity between life and death, light and darkness, consciousness and unconsciousness. Day and night symbolize respectively the birth of sun and its death. With the rising sun, the day is considered representative of new life and fresh beginning possibilities, hopes and opportunities.